So it's about we're pretty much market open. So I'm leading and taking shorts today. If you can see the 15-minute structure, I want to see some manipulation of the 15-minute gap to go lower. Let's see if we're gonna see that. This is triple equal highs on ES. NQ went higher, took us until 15-minute gap out of market open. So actually, I've been processing my payout today because I I received my TAN number. Wait a second, this is lagging. All right, so I received my TAN number, and then I also um created my Rice account and put the details, the KYC and everything, the withdrawal methods. So I got all of those things done, but I haven't got my payout yet. So that's what I'm just waiting. But it's already been sent according to Tradify. So we're just gonna wait for that. So we're currently at all-time highs right now. So I guess this bill won't be taken out. Because that 15-minute gap was not respected. So we can just wait for, continuation long stores like internal all-time highs. Some sort of like boop, boop, then like maybe like lower, then get longs from there, something like this type of structure. That until 5-minute gap opens up here. Unless, I'm willing to take shorts, but it's all-time highs, so really depends on the structure. These are LRs right here, and ES is pretty close to this wick that happened yesterday. Like stop a lot of people out, but it was a bug. It was a bug that went down way down here, but some people got stopped out, some people didn't. So if that's the case, it's probably a bug. I mean, it is a bug. So just look at 15-minute. Let's see here. If this 15-minute would hold, and ES would start rejecting. It's a triple equal high. So market open didn't push lower. It's just traded LRs because this is just basically LRs here, and we went higher from there. So yeah, we'll see if we're gonna get that trade today. So we're just gonna wait here. I don't really like to take any shorts, even if there's like an inversion in here. It's like pretty risky, even if there's an inverse here. I mean, I could do it maybe on MEQ, then like risk like 1 micro on this short. Actually, I might trade micros today. Oops. Why did we go to ES? I meant to go MEQ. Is this type of conditions, it's not bad. If it's gonna be longs, definitely like it. But if it's gonna be shorts, not really. I'm not a fan of taking short in this economy here. Actually, in fact, in MEQ, there's no 1-minute inversion here. 30-second from here isn't too bad. Where is that close of that? 37.79. It's like worthy to try, no? What do you think? It's like worthy taking with like 2 micros. Yeah, I'll take it with 2 micros. Can we get the fill? Still, if we can get the fill though. I don't think we're gonna get the fill. Oh shit, that just dumped from the 30-second inversion. Wow, that was insane. AS wasn't dumping either, which I can see here. It's like it's hard to like just full put myself on there, but wow, that thing dumped like crazy. I'm not willing to take that. Even with this, like, and he even failed the 1 minute. There wasn't 2 minute there, so this one failed, so I won't really take it either way. But that shit is dumping. Seriously, seriously dumping. Shot a 30-second. No, I marked it out on M and Q, but we didn't get the fill. I was willing to take it like up to here. Just really get the winning day and be done with the day. But no. Didn't give the entry, and as well as the smoothness, because if it was, they are correlated on that part, it would be really nice to take it here and just like, raw ball it maybe. Get a fill here, maybe stop loss something like this. And yeah, I think it's gonna go towards my draw on liquidity. I was right on the draw, insane. But I guess the structure, guys. At most, the cleanest inversion that I'll wait is definitely this. If like it's a really nice inversion here, I'm willing to take this in fact, guys. Limit order here, something like that. In this low, be done in the day. This one is low risk as well. Like 1 mini here is 365. I'm willing to take that. We didn't get that. So for me, I'm gonna switch bullish as soon as ES takes this low, because there's really no draws lower unless we're extremely bearish. So this 15 minute, I mean, there's this next low. We have this LR that we're just edging for ages. So, I mean, there's still this low right here, but it's less likely. So I'll just keep it there. As for NQ, yeah, I'll just keep this right here. Just took all-time highs, then we just rejected from that. That is insane. I don't like the sound. I want to see this 5 minute open and then keep the sell liquidity as my target. It's just like on the 5 minute, this is just sell side of the pair, but obviously to finish it, it's gonna be this and even this. If you're gonna even have that, if you still have the draw here, so as long as ES doesn't take this low yet, this remains my sell side draw. I think we're gonna take it out now. There's still this equal low. Oh man. All right. So there are still draws lower. Right? None of them have taken that yet. Obviously, NQ is a lot farther from that. So I'm just basing this one where he is at. Respecting the 15 minute pretty good. I'm waiting for the 5 minute open though. Because on 5 minute open, NQ would open up until 5 minute gap, like from here right here. Or it might take it now. And the 5 minute would be somewhere higher. This looks like a really good continuation short if ever. 1 minute. One more minute. So we're currently on a 3 minute right now. Let's see, maybe 3 minute would do something. Yeah, I'd like to definitely short this. I'm going to take this short on a mini. When we get that 5 minute open, like let's say there's a 5 minute gap here, 5 minute gap would tap her here, bam, maybe a resweep, then go lower. Something like that. Maybe tap the EQ to 3 minute. Or if this is just so mad, the 5 minute would be something else. EQ still, I mean, yes, it's still edging this low, so yeah, I'm still bearish. But equal lows nowadays are not getting taken out, so it's giving me some sort of skeptic type of life. The 5 minute is barely a 5 minute, dog. Imagine this is a 5 minute. That is barely a 5 minute. Oh, I'm just gonna base it towards wherever this 3 minute, what 3 minute, this 3 minute is doing, dog. So we have this 3 minute, almost stop EQ. Let's see if we can get this inversion here. Is this the highest time frame? Yeah. We have to take this short, guys. We can just bank this. I'm going to take this. We can just get the inverse. Oh, yes, already took it. That doesn't look good. No. We already have bullish S&T on that. We're- A bullish reaction from here is accepted. I don't like this short no more. I'm flipping bullish. Yeah. The 5 minute team is nothing, so I'll just keep this 3 minute here. Or make a better structure for longs. Short here now is ass. It can still work if ES is remaining bearish. But this inversion right now is a lot weaker. I mean, ES still has lows to go down onto top. I mean, onto this low. Then there's equal low over here. Then mark out this 15 minute intermediate low. So in the outer, there's none, right? Yeah. Yeah. This is a high resistance right now. It could still work. That's pretty low probability. I can definitely take it. Like really tight risk. Let's see. I mean, inversion is an inversion. It could definitely still go lower because yeah, NQs. I mean, ES still has this. Pop, pop, pum, 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 pop, pop. There's a 30 second already happened. Give me the 1 minute. All right. I'll take the 1 minute here. If the market will allow us to get the 1 minute fill. We're still making equal lows on this 50 minute intermediate low, so I'm good with it. It's pretty low risk. Let's see if we can get some sort of retrace here. Maybe at the close of this 1 minute, kind of go bloop, 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 something like that. It's enough to fill us. But I might adjust my limit order when the 1 minute opens. Because I don't like this fill. I mean, it's fine, I think. It's got the best fill in the world. That's fine, but I won't do it. But I can see someone taking this, definitely. Let's see if we can get a limit here. It's looking pretty bearish. If we can get some limit here. Nope, we didn't. We became pretty bearish there. Alright. So, yeah, I really have strong conviction here, but as soon as this one rejected, it just became a lower probability. And I'm not willing to take this, I mean, this type of shit. I mean, I'm good with it, but wasn't enough to, for me to pull it out without, just, it's feeling like a light bulb. So we need like more confirmation from this. So we're definitely rallying lower on this one. Stop, stop. 15 minute, we tap 15 minute RB, we still have this 15 minute, we have this equal low. Yeah, we're going lower with how things are moving. I don't know why the NQ one is a lot laggy. But to anyone that took this, I mean, it's not a bad trade. Really depends on what you're targeting. But this wasn't enough for me. Wasn't a light bulb. It's not the entry, not a light bulb. But the risk to reward here is definitely pretty good. Like right here. You can risk. It's just like 20 points. Depends even what you're targeting. What if you're targeting this? Who knows? Then like I adjusted my entry to here, but I never had a retrace. So there's really no entry. Like I tried here, no entry. Then I tried here, another no entry. You can definitely go market here, but it's really lower probability for me, even though the 3 minute reacted so good. It's just the fact that I don't like a gap already been touched, like right here, then try to inverse it again. I mean, it's just a lot cleaner when there's none. And we're at all-time highs. Not anymore, it's more like continuations lower. So yeah, so anyone to cut this, pretty good, pretty good, pretty clean, and be done in the day for sure. All right, we took that low now. So there's this equal low as well as this 4 hour intermediate low, which we might be drawing on ES. I'm gonna be basing my draw on ES, guys. If anyone that took this, bankroll, bankroll, guys. If I took this, this is most probably how I would do. This is how the entry would could have looked like, but dang. So let's wait for a re-entry here. This macro is about to open. There's still 10 a.m. news. But for me, like a good chunk of the move has already been done. So this is a lower probability now. Tell you that. I'll tell you that. Give me some retrace, boy, before taking this. I think this one's a previous day lows. No, it's not. Previous day low is down there. It's like EQ of previous day low. Dun, 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 dun. If this was just a 5 minute, the 3 minute gap, maybe I would have reacted differently on this version. Then it wasn't a light bulb. You know me when I trade, guys. I base it on how light bulb it was. This light bulb, yeah, it's definitely takeable. I'm gonna wait here, guys. Please. Hi, guys. I have this trade idea. Let's see if it plays out. Okay, get this inverse here. I'm definitely taking this short. All right, we're just gonna wait for the 2 minute inversion, which is at 9:56. The 2 minute would be at like 9:56, then 9:73. So something like, yeah, 561, right? 56, 560. This one is pretty good. Like estimate. Bro, why is it so laggy? All right. Let's see if we can get a flip here. Nice if we can get a flip. We can even do this market, guys. But I want a limit, depending on the close. Be done on the day. We're checking that 2 minute. Not the best. Let's see if we can have an inversion here, because ES is has created this new leg. Obviously we don't have one. There's no great manipulation yet. Yes, there's an internal manipulation on this 5 minute to medium high, but I still want to see a manipulation on this 15 minute, maybe deeper in the 15 minute, to validate any shorts from here. There might be a switch of order flow right now that I'm just invalidating. Because let's say some people this 10 a.m. close, they're like, yeah, that is enough for me. Just get 101 here. But that's not, I'm not that type of person. But I do think this could work. You could even just put your stops here, and this could work. Like maybe like here. Just a 15 minute gap. Pretty possible. 30 second, 5 8. That's not well. If you all go scout mode, this one is a scout mode right here. Like serious scout mode. It's really choppy for a until 15 minute gap like that. Then open at 3 minutes. I think I'm gonna switch buyers here. Rejecting my limit. Just kidding. Oh my gosh. My thing is not recording, but this one right here is gonna bang. Trust me. Like, oh my god, it's saying freaking hop in. What it's saying. Am I in? Not really. This is so choppy. It would work though. This really probably would work, but I'm not hopping on that. This really depends where your stop is gonna be. This is a really choppy price action. At most, guys, you should have taken a short here, which I got unfilled, or here, which I again unfilled. No setup. Not taking any long here. No short. None. Not a single one. Yep. Not a single one. Not a single one. Not recording again. Can we get a retrace on my 30 second version entry? Please. NASDAQ. I'm begging you. Then just take this equal highs and I'm done in the day. Come on, bro. Oh my days. Still edging. Oh my gosh, it already took it out. Oh man. I wasn't looking at the 30 second, bro. If I was just looking there, I would have taken that years ago. What was that? 3625 fill. So the fill was actually here. Oh, that's my fault. The fill would be like right there, and I would have still get. I think I would have get filled. Yeah. Ah, still a 1-1, right? With like 4 micros. Yeah, 4 micros is doing it. Come on. That is crazy. But yeah, like today, so many setups. I just didn't get filled. There's like an M&Q short here. Yeah, I tried it on M&Q, didn't get it. Tried this one on NQ, didn't get it. Um, yeah, the last here is the short from this, because this is the equilibrium of the leg. Apart from that, there's no entry. It's a breakup for you guys. For those anyone still trying, guys, there's no more entries. You can just get out of there. This equal is just what's making me alright. You can still get lower, go lower after the sweep of this low, and then like a really good reaction off of that. Even a 30 second would make me some mac a short here. As long as it says, oh my gosh, I want to just hop right in there. The light bulb. If it's a light bulb, no one's stopping me, dog. If it's a light bulb. Let's try this 15 minute here, 15 minute gap. Then we tap EQ, then just go ham roll on the short. This is a decent target. It's not even a 5 minute. That's what made the whole time, dog. On there's 3 minutes. It's a really good B point, or even just I want to get a winning day. Just get that there. All right, 30 second from here is doable. It's already 1 to 3. This is my last chance to take a trade today. If there's inverses, I'm shorting. If it doesn't, I'm not having a single trade today. Because, bro, actually, I wasn't looking at the charts no more, but like, I mean, it's like here in front of me, but I'm not actively trying to look into more trades. But then I saw this accumulation. I was like, it's gonna be an accumulation here, a manipulation in this low, and distribution. And we're gonna do that and take the short version of it. You heard that? We're gonna take this with 1 minute. With 1 minute, boy. Show me the inverse, boy. Show me the inverse. I'm gonna do that. Trust me. I'm not gonna be bad at it. Just this inverse that gap all my days. Because I know, bro, that you want to go on this until 15 minute gap. I know it. You have to feel it, bro. Gotta take that 15 minute gap. Also 5 minute to medium low. Oh my days. Then there's gonna be an open 3 minute here the next minute. Gotta inverse now in the next 40 seconds. And it should be good. What about that, Nasdaq? What do you think? Think that sounds pretty good, Nasdaq. The next 30 seconds, you're gonna inverse? Bet. If not, definitely not taking anything today. Gonna get a winning day. Guess we're gonna review a trade uh we're looking for earlier. I was looking for like an in I think something like this. Retrade something like that, TP here. We didn't get it. And then also looking for shorts here, inversion here, stop loss there, like a really tight stop. And we're targeting whatever the low is in here. Didn't get the entry. And then yeah, it's pretty much that because I didn't really want to long anywhere here. I'm never long here. Never getting any long here. I was trying to go for a sculpt like on this until 15 minute, but I didn't get the entry here again. Like my entry was here, didn't get the tap towards this until 15 minute. Just a really quick day. Didn't get that. Yeah, we didn't get anything here. Because here actually saw the inversion, but I was like, no, it has to go down. But right now it's chopping. When there's a clear 15 minute gap, I know Nasdaq loves that, but he's being a naughty girl today. Tell you that. Been a pretty naughty girl. It's also now a 3 minute gap here. We have to take note of the next 2 minutes. So like let's say this shit inverses. But if the 3 minute has an inverse, I cannot take it, right? Because it's a 3 minute. But who cares if it's like so good? It's like so good, like why not? But if it's an inverse, it's definitely up there. Are we gonna just leave this 15 minute low? Just go higher? That's possible, but that's lower probability to work, right? Ain't it? So I'm just gonna wait here. Alright guys, we might get our entry now. There's a 3 minute here, but oh yeah, that's also the same as a 3 minute. I'm gonna limit pretty soon. The 3 minute is definitely gonna close, so I'm gonna just limit here. And hope we get our fill for the first time. Just hoping. Just hoping. We can get a fill this time around. Because if not, we're a little too unfortunate nowadays. Mhm. Okay, that's good. We have the 3 minute IFVG. Come on, Nasdaq. Fill me sometimes, though. Like, you're always doing these moves without me. Come on. Nasdaq loves doing these moves without me now. And he's obviously happy with it. Right, we're filled. Wow. Are we gonna reverse from here? That would be insane. I think the 15 minute gap. We'll see. 3 minute is over here. Yeah, I think we might get stopped out here. Wow. After edging that, that's crazy. That is crazy. Then we just fully inversed off of that. Wow. Wow. Then we're gonna edge that 15 minute? That is crazy. I have, I'm just bamboozled on that. Pretty bamboozled. So that's all for today, guys. Okay, guys, joke's on you. We're gonna get a short again. Alright. Joke's on you, joke's on you, joke's on you. Gonna get the inversion. Alright, we're definitely getting the inversion. Get the inverse, get the tap. Um, can we get just give me this time around. Alright, just get me the fill this time around. I know you NASDAQ got a retrace on. Then you're just gonna retrace good, and then we get it. There you go. That retrace good there. Pretty good. Then you're just gonna react so good. Just gotta dump type shit, right? All right, we're gonna go quick BE. Yeah, can go break even there. There you go. I'm break even there. Um, this is just a red day or gonna be a B day. I mean, like a red day, red day or a green day, because I'm not gonna move this stops anywhere. It just either hit CP or not, or we'll trail a bit, because this low has already been taken out, and I don't want to see that actually. At least we can lessen the deficit here, right? All right, trailing more, trailing harder. All right, TP hit there, and we got a winning day. Sorry guys for all the yapping, but yeah, we got an entry here. Um, after that, I was already doing my journal because I had this 30 second here, but it failed, and we also didn't have the initial 1 minute inversion. So let's do that right now as well. So this is gonna be a pretty long video. We also had this inversion right here. Didn't get filled. Okay, boom, boom, and I was targeting uh whatever low is in here. I think this one right here. Like it's like the LRL of the sell side of the curve type shit. Here. LRL, sales liquidity of the LRL. And this one is just internal low. There we go. This is how I journal as well. So here, just didn't get the retrace. Just didn't get the retrace. Same thing, guys. We're also delivering from like a 3 minute gap over here. Huh? Just to be more accurate, there's a 3 minute gap here. 3 minute gap, didn't get the retrace. So I'm gonna screenshot that. So that's like on the first picture. And then what else? There's no longs here, so I'm just gonna take the drawings out. Oh no, I'm gonna take the drawings out because where did I get the lose loss? Oh, I changed the price. I think the fill was here. Am I right? 30688, yeah. Then my stops, I think, where is it? 30705. Also, all right here. So there's an IFVT here. Okay, I'm gonna remove this one first since it's getting into the way. And so this one is like um trailed limit order, low key, um, got got my emotions in the charts since I was getting too much field trades, hence hence I aggressively trailed my entry, which made me lose an extra, what is it, extra 150 bucks, right? Extra 100, extra 200 bucks. Also, where are we delivering? Where are we delivering from this, by the way? Because this one, we took this buy side, intermediate buy side. What did we even do there? That's why we went down. None. Wow. Also set a 15 minute intermediate high. Oh, just a flip of 5 minute intermediate high. Intermediate high. Easily a discretionary trade. Easily a discretionary trade. So I'm gonna screenshot that as well. Then we're gonna do our last trade of the day. Oh, no, I'm just gonna remove it. Blue, 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 blue. So still have this 15 minute gap. Got a sweep of a not really a major buy side. It's a sweep of a buy side liquidity. Also an unfilled 5 minute gap. Also an unfilled 5 minute gap. hmm Then then this one is discretionary. The order flow and strongly was just then obvious for us to not go onto. So I just really for me, this is just the same idea that I was thinking about earlier. So here we have this IFVG. I actually just want to use this EQ. I like it. I like it better. Um, then we also had this gap that was respected. Um, order flow wise, then we had this. I think my stops were just right here, but I was like trailing a bit, if I'm not mistaken. Because in my opinion, there's this CISD over here. There's also the EQ of the gap, so just slightly like that. So let's put here 30622.75. So something like this. Um, clean delivery. So I got here the nice fill, literally just tapped it and just went away. So that's gonna be all for today, guys. Hope you like this video. P&L wise for the pocket watchers, we're up only 200 something today. Guess we lost our first trade, but if we didn't, this trade, because we initially lost like 350, so this trade was 700, I think. No, it's not. It should be just 500. I don't know. It's meant to just be 500. I don't think so, because I'm down 350, then I'm up 250 now. So that means if I'm up 250 from being down 350, it means that is at least 700, right? Or is my math, oh, 600. Or is my math wrong? It should be 600, right? Yeah, it should be 600. Oh, because the fill was here. Yeah, there you go. Because the fill was here, dog. It's a free trade, so. Uh-huh. There you go. So that's all for today. Peace out.